Hello guys, this is art and craft class. So today we are making a wall hanger using some waste cardboard and A4 size papers. Okay. In this activity my helpers are Minali ma'am,
Hello students.
Satya Prakash sir,
Hello
and
students.
Ajaypal sir also. Okay. So the things for this piece to making. To make this wall hanger, the things we needed are one cardboard piece, scale, compass and pen or pencil, black color, Fevicol, scissor and A4 size paper. Okay, you can take any color as you are desired. Okay, so the first steps to make this piece, you have to take this cardboard piece. Okay, the size is according to your desire. You can take any size of this cardboard. Okay, so after this you have to coat this cardboard piece with black color. Okay, you can use the sponge or any brush and color it with the black color. Okay, so after coating you get this type of cardboard piece. Okay, I take this size of cardboard piece. You can also take this size or some small size of cardboard. Okay, after this the next preparation for wall hanger is cut this type of square shaped pieces from the A4 size paper. Okay, so its measurement is 9 inches and 9 inches here. Okay, 9 by 9. Okay, I can say 9 by 9 we can say. So this is 9 by 9. Okay, and fold it in a cone shape. Fold it in cone shape. I will tell you. So now we have to fold this to get the cone shape. Okay, so paste glue on it. Okay, now fold it in this way. Okay, in this way to get a cone shape. Join the end like this. Like this. Okay, so this is a cone shape. Okay, so prepare almost 40 pieces of this shape. Okay, I have already prepared all of these. Okay, these all are. Okay, after this the next step is to make a circle in center of this cardboard. Okay, you can measure with the help of this scale or any other equipment. Okay, so take a center. Okay, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने ये बता दिया आपको कि उसके बाद में पेंसिल की या पेन की हेल्प से इसके अराउंड एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना. ओके, ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ऑन इट. ओके, after that the next step is to paste these flowers, these pieces on this cardboard. Okay, around this circle, around this circle. Okay, so now paste these pieces in a round shape. Okay, हमने जो सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है उसके बिल्कुल मतलब जो बाहर वाली साइड है हमने जो है ये जो पीसेस हैं इनको ऐसे इस शेप में ऐसे बिल्कुल सर्कल से शेप में लेके जाना है. ओके, राउंड शेप में. ओके, सो पेस्ट इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लू और ग्लू गन, एनीथिंग यू हैव. ओके, like this. Okay, so we completed the first round of this one and we get the shape of this. Okay, so next step is to paste the another मतलब second circle of on this. Okay, तो जो second step है वो क्या होगा कि हमने इसके ऊपर second round देना है इसी shape में, circle shape में ही second round देना, बट इसको थोड़ा जो shape है वो थोड़ा नीचे रखनी है इनकी. ओके, जो इनकी पोजीशन है वो थोड़ा डाउन जाएगी. ओके, like this. Okay students, so now we get the final look of this wall hanger. So we can decorate with the glitter sheets, foam sheets according to our requirements or our desires. You can मैंने इसके जो एंड्स हैं, जो एजेस हैं, इनको सिर्फ डेकोरेट किया है. तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग जैसे भी आपको लगे कि आप फ्लावर शेप देना चाहते हो या कुछ फ्लावर्स के पीस कट करके यहाँ पे लगवाना चाहते हो, तो एज योर डिज़ायर आप अपना जो भी है डेकोरेशन इसको दे सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक ऑफ योर वॉल हैंगर. ओके, so you can also make these types of flowers to decorate this wall hanger. So how to make this? For this, cut off strips from the glitter sheet, glitter foam sheet. This is glitter foam sheet. Okay, so cut the strips of this type and divide it into same 3 parts. Okay, like this. So don't cut the complete edge. Okay, like this. Okay, so I cut almost there. Now you have to fold it in this way, like a simple choti. Okay, like this. So you have to fold it like here bread like this, one on another, and fold it from the end.
3.
So after fold it till the end, secure the ends with the help of glue gun. Okay, okay, like this. Now fold it in this way. Okay, secure the end with the help of glue gun and now fold it like this. And cut these edges in a round shape. Okay, so you can see like this in a round shape. Okay, now again secure the end with the help of glue gun. Okay, help of glue gun like this. So your flower is ready. So this is the final look of our wall hanger. Okay, you can hang it with the help of this any type of thread or any other thing. So